This is the new extra height forward apply piston for the 727 Chrysler Torque Flight from TCS Performance Products in Canada. It's CNC machined out of 7075 billet aluminum, and in addition to fitting the 727, it fits the 46 and 47 RE and RH and the 48 RE up until 2007. The thickness of this piston is 875. As you can see there. Has a anti-reversion check ball in it, and it is extra height to take up the play in the factory forward clutch drum retainer assembly. And this is the play that I'm referring to here. You'll find this play in every 727 Chrysler Torque Flight and the 4-speed overdrive transmission up until 2007 now. This is due to excessive tolerances on Chrysler's part. You can see where this play is here, and while this may be okay for a passenger car, it's not okay in a performance or a race application, because with the high pressure valve body you could pop this piston, this factory piston, you could pop it out of the bore, and when that happens your car will drive forward in neutral. The car won't go in reverse. It'll damage the lip seals and it'll burn the clutches. Now this is just going to be an update to a previous video I did on this same subject matter. These are Chrysler's forward piston return springs, or Belleville springs. Chrysler called them Belleville springs. There's 3 here. These 2 are the same. They started with this early one here. They were calling this the late model one, and then with the RE and RH transmissions, the late model 4-speed overdrive automatics, they went back to this early Belleville spring. We like to use this one here in the middle that's got the half moon on it. This is a OEM Chrysler return spring here that we bought the remaining inventory. My company, Andrews Racing Transmissions, bought the remaining inventory that was left in the country. These are very limited. I would not recommend using an aftermarket Belleville spring. I've seen those go flat. I'd recommend using a good used spring that doesn't have a lot of wear on it. Now I'm going to show you how I install my my piston here. You're going to get your lip seals on your forward apply piston. The lip of the seal is going to face down. You're going to get blue assembly lube on the seals and also your input hub here. You're going to get a 10 thousandths feeler gauge blade. I have an 11 thousandths here. You're going to start with the inner seal. You're going to slowly work that around. You don't have to force this in any way. You're just slowly going to guide that lip down there. You're going to start with the inner seal, like I said. This is a situation where you got to have a little bit of patience. You don't want to cut the lip seal, or the lip seals anyways. Slowly work them around. Trying to get access to the bench here with the camera in the way. Slowly work those seals in. Now your forward piston is installed. Now you can get your forward clutch drum retainer on here. The new Chrysler Belleville spring that I was talking about just now. Steel spacer ring. It's a wavy snap ring. At a bad angle here. Get this guy in. All the play is eliminated from this assembly now. Again, this forward apply piston is a new offering from TCS Performance Products in Canada. You can find them online at tcsproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a good day.